Today, we're going to go on a little adventure inside our own minds to find a quiet place. Find a comfortable spot to sit down or to lie down. You can be on a chair or a rug or even on your bed. Imagine you are as soft and as floppy as a giant teddy bear. If it feels okay, you can close your eyes, or you can just look down at your knees or the floor with soft, sleepy eyes. Put your hands on your belly. Imagine there is a colorful balloon inside your tummy. When you breathe in through your nose, watch the balloon grow big, big, big. And when you breathe out through your mouth, watch the balloon softly flatten down. And breathe in again and out. And in and out. One more time in and one more time out. Now let's play a game with our muscles. Squeeze your hands into tight little balls, like you're holding on to a secret. Hold it tighter. And now let it go. Let your hands be loose and floppy. And squeeze your shoulders up to your ears like a turtle hiding in its shell. Hold it, hold it. And now melt down like a floppy jellyfish into the ocean water. Let's do that again. Squeeze your shoulders up to your ears like a turtle hiding in its shell. And now melt down like a jellyfish, all floppy. Now imagine you're standing in a beautiful, quiet garden. The grass is soft and cool under your feet. You can hear a little bird singing in a tree just for you. What do you see in this garden? Do you see flowers? What other plants do you see? Look up to the sky. Do you see clouds or sun? Look around you some more. What else do you see in this garden? How about any animals? Now look at the ground. Look very carefully between the blades of grass. Do you see any bugs? Now look around and scan your garden one more time. Is there anything else you see? Just notice. In this garden, it is safe and calm. Whenever you feel worried or grumpy, you can come back to this garden just by closing your eyes and breathing your nice deep balloon breaths. Now let's take 3 more balloon breaths together. Ready? In through the nose. Watch that balloon and out through the mouth. Down goes the balloon. And in through the nose. Nice big balloon. And out through the mouth. Down goes the balloon. One more. And out. Notice how your body feels now. Do you feel quieter? How about your heart? Does it feel softer? How about your head? Does it feel clearer? I hope so. Now start to wiggle your toes like worms and wiggle your fingers. And take a big morning stretch. Stretch your arms up and around. Stretch big. One more deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You did a great job of being still today, and I'll see you next time.